Okay, so here we have the data from the book, okay, from Jagya and Hawk. Okay, so the topic will be methods to visualize a categorical variable. Okay, so here is an existing data here. Okay, so we'll derive some visualization technique. Okay, with this given data here. Okay, so first we'll use the count if function. Okay, so just have to transfer this one here. Just have to make this bigger. Okay, okay, it's bigger now. Okay, so the mode of transportation. Okay, so to visualize the different modes of transportation here, we'll check here the photo. Okay, so there are five. Okay, so bicycle. Let's start with bicycle. Okay, so bicycle we use count if. Okay, count if. Okay, count if. Then this is the range. Okay, and then the should be this one. Okay, let's start to check if it works. I'm just experimenting. Okay, it's zero. So we'll use um, this one. No. So we really use bicycle, literally bicycle. Okay, so there are 111. Okay, so the next one will be the public transit. Okay, this is the number. And okay, so okay, so we'll use this one again. This code here. You just have to copy this one. Okay. I know. It must be. Um, although this is not discussed in the book, we'll put some dollar here. Okay. The purpose of this dollar. Let's try to check. Let's try to check if the columns not move from this one. Yeah, it moved. So it's the second one. Okay, I'm sorry. Uh, then let's transfer from this one here is for uh, column, and this one here is for the row. So let's try experiment. Okay, see. So okay, so here it doesn't change the range. Okay, the range doesn't change. Okay, so for the sake of just clarity, I mean the just to make sure when I copy this one, it will not move to other, let's say, to other columns. Just had to put some dollar sign here, both. Okay, so it will stick. Okay, the range will not move whenever I copy the code. Okay, so here we will be using the public transit. We can opt to just copy this one for faster coding. Okay, okay. So the next one will be walking. Okay, copy again, and then walk. Actually, I have other options to do this here. I can just use pivoting, but for the sake of you guys learning the use of CONCAV in Excel, okay. So we'll do this. Okay. also walk to appreciate you guys to uh, the use of cognitive, what you learned from the first chapter. Okay, so walk, bicycle, drive alone. Okay, so drive alone, then copy again. So the drive alone will be okay, 57 only. So what else have we not discussed? Bicycle, drive alone, other. One, two, three, four, five. So other is the last option. Okay, so just have to copy again this one. Okay, so now we have a total of 600. Let's check if we really have 600. So let's count. Copy this data here. Count. Oh no. Yeah. So 600. Okay. So this fits here. So this is also 600. So now we have all the data. Okay. Okay. So now that we have the data, I will proceed to um, making some bar charts. Okay. So I just have to make some few lines here. Okay. Okay. This is the table. Okay. So to insert some bar charts. Okay. Let's just click here, insert, and then select the bar chart. Okay, select this one. Okay, so okay, so this is your data here. Okay, so this one you can rename the table, the bar chart. Okay, so that's the mode of transportation. Okay, you can just add here some label. Okay, or any format that you want. Okay, you can have the chart design here. Okay, just click the chart design. Then you have the already the bar chart. Okay, it's awesome, right? Okay, so it depends on you what bar chart you use. Okay, what design you'll be using. Okay, so the next one will be um, pie chart. Okay, so to construct a pie chart, okay, let's just have to spread this one here. Okay, so insert again, highlight this one, and then insert what's the pie? Okay, so this one. You can use this one, or you can use this one, or you can use the donut chart. Okay, just have to use this one. Okay, okay, and then we'll try to use other formats here. You can use this format, then we just have to rename this one. Okay, there are a lot of ways to do that. Okay, okay, so that's how to do it. Okay, so these are the designs. You can use this design. Okay, so now you have the bar chart. Okay, a lot of designs here. You can use this one or this one or this one. Okay, so that's how to visualize a categorical variable. Okay, and I think I this is the end of our topic for visualizing categorical variable. Okay, see you.